So far, more than 5,000 people has been died because of coronavirus across the globe, and it is our responsibility to stop this virus from spreading it. From PowerPoint University channel, we have designed this particular slide of explaining what coronavirus is, what are its symptoms, and how you can prevent it. Like example, wear the mask, wash your hands, cook well, and avoid gathering. You can print this and post it on your office desks or on the walls of your home. As well as we have designed one more slide where is just kind of a plain warning with the red background so that you can save this as a JPG file and can be pasted on your desktop wallpaper. This is not a tutorial, and you can download this particular slides from the video description below. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.